Did you know that this common vegetable, growing in many gardens, can become incredibly long? This plant is called the yard-long bean, and as its name suggests, its pods can grow surprisingly long. It is also one of the fastest growing vegetables in tropical regions. Today, we're going to explore some amazing facts about this simple but fascinating plant. The yard-long bean is famous for its unusual length. Under good growing conditions, the pods can reach around 60 to 90 centimeters long. That's why it is called the yard-long bean, because it can grow almost as long as a yard. This rapid growth makes the plant very popular among farmers and home gardeners. In a short period of time, the plant can produce many harvestable pods. One of the biggest advantages of the yard-long bean is how quickly it grows. Most plants can be harvested about 45 to 60 days after planting. Because of this, it is considered an ideal vegetable for beginners who want quick results in their garden. It doesn't require complicated care and can thrive in warm climates. The yard-long bean is a climbing plant. It grows upward by wrapping around supports such as sticks, poles, or strings. This growth habit makes it perfect for small gardens. Instead of spreading across the ground, the plant grows vertically and saves space. A single yard-long bean plant can produce dozens, sometimes even hundreds, of pods during its growing season. Interestingly, the more often the pods are harvested, the more the plant tends to produce new ones. This makes it a very productive vegetable for home gardens. Yard-long beans are not just easy to grow, they are also nutritious. They contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. Eating vegetables like yard-long beans can help maintain a balanced diet and healthy digestion. The yard-long bean grows best in warm and humid environments. That's why it is widely grown in many Asian countries, especially in tropical regions. The plant can tolerate strong sunlight and continues to grow well throughout the year in suitable climates. Many people choose to grow yard-long beans in their backyard because the plant is simple to care for. All it needs is enough sunlight, regular watering, and a support structure to climb on. With proper care, the plant can provide fresh vegetables for the whole family. So those were some amazing facts about the yard-long bean, a simple vegetable with impressive qualities. From its fast growth to its high productivity and nutritional value, this plant is truly remarkable. If you have a small garden or backyard, consider planting yard-long beans yourself. It's an easy and rewarding way to grow your own food.